Hi there, this is John Dew here. Today I want to share with you some simple secrets of SEO and get you one step closer of understanding the essence of search engine optimization. First, a question. Is it possible to learn everything about SEO in 5 minutes? Of course not, but I am positive you will learn a couple of things that you can go and implement immediately. The rapid development of SEO during the last couple of years has not only transformed the business landscape in a massive way, but also led to a massive growth in the tech industry. We live in a rapid changing environment like never experienced before. And to stay abreast, we need to leverage our knowledge and information to stay ahead of our competition. So without further ado, let's get stuck in and see what we can achieve today.
The main purpose of the internet is to share information. The ability to interact on the internet evolved to the extent that it is possible for us to interact with anyone in the world 24 hours, 7 days a week. This gave rise to the development of online businesses where people like you and me can make money by advertising or selling products and services on the internet. Today, there are literally millions of online businesses, which make it more difficult to get traffic to one's website. So what is SEO? Search engine optimization is the name given to the procedure or method of improving the content on your website so that search engines can understand what your website is all about and how to rank it. The main search engines are Google, Yahoo, and Bing. The main purpose of search engine optimization is to get as much traffic to your website as possible. SEO is essential to the success of not only your website but every online business, as it will determine how much traffic can be generated and, of course, how much money can be made. The big question is, what do you need to do to dominate page 1 of Google? There are 4 ranking factors. The first ranking factor is your website structure. Your website structure is not only about how easy or difficult it is for your visitors to navigate through your website and find the information they are looking for. It is about how difficult or easy it is for search engines to determine the primary niche in which to rank your website, and secondly, to determine the specific keywords you are targeting and want to rank for. This involves the pages, posts, and categories on your website. In other words, how your website is structured. If your website is about dog training, stick to a clear and logical keyword-based navigation-based structure, as depicted in this slide. The second factor is website relevancy. When someone is searching for information about dog training, Google's main objective is to return a result that is relevant for that specific search term. Search engines have the ability to check the individual words as well as groups of keywords you are targeting, as well as other elements on your pages and posts to determine this. If you structure your website as recommended above, it will also improve the relevancy factor. Unless Google understands what your website is all about, you won't get ranked and all your hard work will be in vain. When you structure your site in this manner, it will help Google to understand what your website is all about, as well as the relevancy of a content on your website, and it is more likely to pass traffic your way. The third factor is high quality backlinks. When we search for information on the web and find information on BBC or CNN websites, we will most likely accept that information to be true. The reason is that they are perceived to be authority sites and we have trust in their authenticity. Links from sites with social influence or Google approved authority are considered to be high quality backlinks. Think of your website as a shop that you have built in the middle of a desert. Unless people know about you, talk about you, and trust you, they will not refer potential customers to your shop, and the chances are slim that you will survive. The same happens on the internet. The primary goal of any web surfer is to find quality content that will help them to solve a problem or make an informed decision. The primary goal of search engines is to provide the highest quality and trusted sites to their surfers. They do this by looking at the relevancy and authority of the sites that link to you, to your site. The fourth factor is that of social branding. Each website, regardless of its size, should have a brand name that you want people to use when talking about your site. The brand name can be your website name, your product name, your company name, or your real name or pen name. Social branding is about established authority in your niche using social sites like Facebook, Twitter, WordPress, Blogger, Tumblr, etc. to get your message out and get other people to talk about your brand. Social networking websites have the biggest number of interactions. Adding your brand to their database is an incredible way to have your website viewed by numerous other people and build your profile of who you are as well as your trust level. For a more in-depth discussion and understanding of SEO, read our articles on this subject at www.succeedwithjohndew.com. You can also learn more about internet marketing, affiliate marketing, and marketing tools. Looking forward to see you there.